Insalmulkom u nilqawkom għal programmi ieħor mis-sensiela xi rajt dan l-aħħar mill-Biblioteka Nazzjonali fil-Belt Valletta. Illum se niltaqgħu ma' Carl Edgar Consiglio li huwa artist u poeta bilingwi. Fl-2013 huwa ppubblika l-ġabra ta' poeżiji tiegħu bit-titlu ABZ li fiha jesplora il-memorji tiegħu ta' Paċeville fis-snin 80 u fil-bidu ta' snin 90. Huwa jieħu interess kbir fix-xena lokali u għandu għal-qalbu bosta kwistjonijiet lokali fosthom il-kultura u l-politika nazzjonali. Bħala artist huwa juża media differenti u l-għamla tal-arti tiegħu tieħu dik il-forma konċettwali u sperimentali. Carl huwa facilitator ma' tfal bi bżonnijiet speċjali li attendu skejjel normali. Allura Carl, xi rajt dan?
Thank you for having me. And this naughty little number, is this one? Henry Miller, his most renowned one, Tropic of Cancer. It's an American's life in 1930s Paris. Poor guy, but with a very positive attitude. I have no money, no resources, no hopes. I am the happiest man alive. It's Henry Miller.
Għalfejn laqtek partikolarment dal-ktieb?
It's not the first one I read of his, and one book led me to another, and I intend to read them all, basically. But it's not a story. It's not a story. So it's most episodes. His life in Paris, and like I said, he was poor. But if you gave him money, he'd most likely use it not for food, but for nightlife, and cabaret, and this sort of thing.
Tirrakkontana xi episodju partikolari li laqtek tibqa' tiftakar forsi minnu?
His conversations with degenerates, really, prostitutes, other tramps, and people like that, of that sort, dancers and the nightclubs and things like that.
U l-avventuri għamlużi tiegħu.
Drunk nights, and yes, exactly, Paris, you can imagine.
U dan il-ktieb ġie publikat fl-1934, però għamel ħafna żmien ċensurat f'ħafna pajjiżi madwar id-dinja.
America and England for sure.
Tħoss li l-lingwaġġ tiegħu huwa għadu s'issa?
Not for me personally. I mean, there are others. Some people will, I know, but me personally, I don't find him shocking. I find him rather as light as a feather, actually, and the truth, very honest. Honestly is what I look for in any artist, as such.
U l-istil tiegħu huwa pjuttost mexxej u x'hekk, jiġifieri jisu li jaħseb jiksbu.
That's it. No boundaries, no walls. His words and his actions, really.
Grazzi ħafna Carl.
Thank you for having me.
Ktieb interessanti ħafna. Grazzi lilkom tal-li segwejtuna, aħna narawkom il-ġimgħa d-dieħla fl-istess ħin. Sadattant taqraw Arnit fa' kuljum.